In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change font size in Beehiiv step by step, so you can quickly make your newsletter website or landing page look cleaner, more readable, and more professional. Whether you want your headings to stand out more or you simply want smaller body text for a better layout, this is a super easy change once you know where to look. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand side and click Website. Then choose Builder. This opens the Beehiiv page editor where you can customize your site content and design. Next, open the page you want to edit. This could be your home page, a landing page, a sign-up page, or any custom page you've already created in Beehiiv. After the page loads, click the text element whose font size you want to change. You need to select the actual text block because the font controls will only appear once the element is highlighted. As soon as you click it, look over to the right side design panel. Depending on the element you selected, you may see options under Style or Layout, so check both sections if needed. Now find the font size setting. This is the main control you'll use to adjust how large or small the text appears on the page. To make the text bigger, increase the font size. To make it smaller, decrease the font size until it matches the look you want. Take your time here and make small adjustments because even a slight change can make a big difference in how polished your page feels. If you're working on headings, you may want a larger size for impact. If you're editing body text, make sure it stays easy to read on both desktop and mobile. After you've adjusted the font size, preview the changes to see how everything looks in the live layout. This is an important step because text can appear differently depending on spacing, page width, and the overall design of your Beehiiv page. Once you're happy with the result, click Publish to make the changes live. That's it. Your updated font size will now be visible to visitors on your published page. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Beehiiv tips, newsletter growth tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.